Welcome to Getembe Electricals. Today I'm going to show you how to wire a distribution board. This is how it looks like when it's opened, and it's in 3-phase. This is the main switch, and we have line 1, line 2 and line 3. And now the power is distributed to circuit breakers. As you can see here, there's line 1, line 2, line 3. Line 1, line 2, it's written all along, and you are the one to decide which phase you want to use. As for me, you can see I've decided to, like, this is a triple pole. You'll connect where 3-phase is, and now this one is one circuit breaker, is a single circuit breaker. So you connect it to sockets, and we have this one of 32. We have another one of 20 here, C10. That is C10, which you connect to the lights. But we are still testing. We'll distribute them to use different circuit breakers when we finish wiring this place. Like and subscribe for you to see our other